crocheters, and thank you for tuning in to OlaJoe. Today I would like to share with you a free pattern that I found online, and it's for doing a dishcloth. These are the items that you will need. Here is some sugar and cream cotton yarn. Any cotton yarn would work well. This is Lily cotton, and it's 2.5 ounces, 70.9 grams. It's 4-ply, and it's made by Yarn Inspirations. You'll need an I-9 crochet hook and also your darning needle. We'll actually start by making a slip knot, and if you notice I made a long tail, I always do, so that I am able to weave in the ends really nicely, tuck them in there. So after you've made your slip knot, we'll have to do a chain of 27. So remember, you yarn over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now in this pattern, it's made up of single crochets, so we'll have to go into the second chain from the hook, which is right here. So there's 1, 2, insert your hook, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we will continue this all the way across. Single crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll do this all the way across, and I'll come back at the end and we'll start on row 2. We've come to the end of row 1. You should have 26 chains. Remember, we went into the second chain from the hook. We are going to chain 1 and turn. Yarn over, pull through. It's 1 chain. Turn your work. Okay, here's the tip. Now, we are going to continue on with row 2 for the single crochets, but I actually pulled out a couple of stitch markers. If you have a problem finding your stitch, what you can do is insert your hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, okay? And you can actually slide your stitch marker right into that first stitch, so you'll know what to go into. The first one and the last one. So we'll insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Hope you're getting the hang of it. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. You're at the home stretch now. Beautiful. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. See, we have 2 left. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, like so. There we go. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now that you've completed your rows and you measure it, see right here it stops at 7. I decided to go ahead and make it just a tad bit longer so you can see exactly how this looks. The 8. Anyone that has a larger hand or they want a bigger dishcloth can make a couple of more rows. So what we're going to do is chain 1, and then we're going to work down the sides. We're going to do a border, single crochet, working this way. So you'll put your hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. You're just going to work in these spaces here. I have to eyeball it. You see how I'm working that? There's a hole right there. You'll put the hook in, pull up a loop, and pull through 2. And we're going to go all the way across, just like that. Really easy peasy. See that? There's a little hole there. Insert your hook, you pull that loop up and pull through 2. Just keep going. If you have to, you can pause the video. It's coming along nicely. See that? Just continue on with your single crochets, 1 in each space, and then when you get down to the end, I will meet you there and I will show you how to do the corner. Now that we're at the corner, if you look closely here, we are going to insert our hook right there into that space. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 single crochet is made, and we'll go right back into that same space and do another single crochet. Only in the corners will we add 2. Now you see how we've transitioned, and we'll be working towards the left side. 1 single crochet in each space. Straighten this out a bit. Get my yarn there. See, it looks good. Continue on across. And I will meet you at the end. Okay, we've come to the end of another side. And you see we have our tail here. So we are going to insert our hook right there. Can you see that? Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. You go back in, do your second single crochet, and you're holding this tail alongside right on the top of that dishcloth. You see that? So you're holding it there so you can actually crochet right over it rather than taking your darning needle and taking your darning needle and weaving in that end. That tail there will be, see, covered by the single crochet stitches that we're putting in. See that? Just continue on. 1 single crochet in every space. Now that we're coming to the end part here, you can get your scissors so then you can snip the yarn. Okay, we'll go ahead and snip. We'll continue across, making the single crochet in each space. Continue along, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, now that we've come to the end, we need to put our hook in there, draw up a loop, pull through 2, and then we are going to take our hook and insert it right there. And then we are going to do a slip stitch right there into that corner. Snip our yarn. Yarn over and then fasten off. Look at this. Very beautiful. Now that we've come to the end of our project, we are going to take our darning needle and we are going to weave in this end really quickly. Just go back and forth, just like so. Back and forth. This one is a little loose, so I will choose to go back the opposite direction. Usually I just go straight across, but this couple of these stitches are loose and I don't want it to wiggle out. So I'll go back this way and then we're going to snip our yarn and we are good to go. Then you'll have a project all done. You all should be proud of yourselves that you've accomplished this dishcloth. Okay, we can snip it right here. Oh man, this is awesome. Look at that. Another project complete using this tangerine yarn. Oh, this is beautiful. So I hope you found this tutorial very helpful. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell. Also, look in the description box. I usually like to put some good information in there. And I'll be seeing you soon.